This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle green mango. Start with the freshest green mangoes, ensuring they are firm and free from blemishes. After a good wash, dry them completely to avoid any unwanted moisture. Then, carefully cut each mango into uniform, bite-sized pieces, about 1 inch square. This helps them pickle evenly. Finally, get your glass jar ready by sterilizing it. This is crucial for a long-lasting, delicious pickle. Now, let's create our flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of pickling salt, and 1 cup of white vinegar. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring continuously until all the salt has fully dissolved. This ensures a consistent flavor. Once dissolved, remove the brine from the heat and let it cool down completely. This step is essential before adding it to your mangoes. With your mango pieces ready, carefully place them into the sterilized glass jar. Now, it's time to add your favorite pickling spices. A teaspoon of mustard seeds and a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder work wonderfully. Next, slowly pour the completely cooled brine over the mangoes, making sure they are fully submerged. Gently tap the jar a few times to release any trapped air bubbles, ensuring a tight seal. Once assembled, seal your jar tightly with an airtight lid. Store your delicious green mango pickle in a cool, dark place for at least 1 week. During this curing period, gently shake the jar once each day to ensure all the flavors meld beautifully. After opening, remember to refrigerate your pickle to maintain its freshness and enjoy it for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.